While the iPad has fingerprint and scratch-resistant glass, it is, like the iPhone, not impervious to smudges and scrapes. Of course, there are loads of accessories for keeping your iPad clean and free of scratches, and the easiest way you can do this is to give your screen some protection. For extreme protection, the invisible shield can be applied to the full body or just the front of your iPad, and after 24 hours promises to be indestructible. You can even drag a key across the screen and not cause any damage. You want to see that again? Look. Imagine if I did that to your car. Not a mark. iLove has 3 types of screen protection film, including basic screen protection, reflective mirror screen protection for keeping your screen private from eyes around you, and anti-glare screen protection. This is especially useful if you're going to be using the iPad outdoors or in bright light. Signet also provides anti-glare screen protectors that also include an anti-fingerprint finish. While all of these screen protectors come with a microfiber cloth, sometimes you may need to go the extra mile to keep your iPad clean. iClear kits are available in multiple sizes and include travel wipes, microfiber polishing cloths, and a cleaning solution free of alcohol and ammonia. This solution is great if you're carrying an iPhone or an iPad, as they're recommended for Apple devices.